Good evening, everyone. Last time, Sharon, she has gave a short introduction about me. Today, I will share some of the experience of my life. I belong from a Maharashtrian family, Mumbaichi Marathi Muli. So my family is my mother, my dad, and my sister, and we are having very short family. And to start with my schooling, I am from vernacular medium, as everyone has their dream to for their career and about themselves. So even I was having the same, but unfortunately because of my financial status, I that financial status was not that good. So here my struggle started. So and few of the truth of my life which no one knows, but today I'm going to share. So I had started in my college days, so like babysitting and compounder job at a doctor's place. So after college I have to take after college means I was doing further studies in that only. And my earning for that time, my earning was 1,000 rupees for per month. So this is how my 2 years passed. Then I was dreaming every day that one day I will go to the office, like every lady, any women can go with the handbag and all. So I was dreaming that time I will go some one day. So once completion of my 12th vacation, I was thinking to do a job, joining some of the firm and start doing any office job. So I got an opportunity to work with one of the courier company, and the job was POD sorter, which is a base. Let me tell you what is the sorting in the courier terms. It's you have to sort all the proof of deliveries where people sign, and you have to sort the PODs. So that is a base job at courier level. So first day I gone for the interview, and that manager took my interview, and he asked me why should I select you, because that time I said one day I want to sit there and take further interviews like you are taking. So you can understand, as the age of 18 I could have answered this much only because I was having only that answer. So I have given this answer. He impressed. He said, "Kal se aa jao." So I have joined. My salary was 1,500 rupees per month. So I thought I was happy to earning 1,500 rupees that time. Then slowly, I was seeing few of the girls over there, they were in a computer, they were doing data entry jobs. So I thought I want to do this, because first time I saw the computer, okay, acha, they are doing entries and all. So I want to do that. So one day what happened, I was in a lunchtime, I was doing an entry. I just done a maska to that lady, and I asked can I do this entry? So she said okay, but don't tell other people that you are doing the entry, because you are a sorter. So proprietor of that company, I was not knowing that he is a proprietor of the company. He came, he asked me why you are doing this, because I think you are a sorter and you are doing this entry, POD entry. So I told him that I want to do a data entry job. So bolte why? But for data entry there is a target of 4,000 PODs. Are you able to do that 4,000 entries in a day? And I have seen computer first time, so you can understand. I was not having that knowledge to enter the PODs on. But still I took the challenge. He said how many days you want, and this is not a this is not an institute where I'm going to teach you. You have to give the timeline. How many days you need? I said 10 days, and within 7 days, I did extra timings and all, extra working hours. After working hours, I did 12 hours in a day, and did that in a 7 days, and he has given that post to me for the data entry operator. Further, I was a floor manager over there, and I was the youngest floor manager over there, in their company's history. and that proprietor asked me to do a executive assistant post. So that was my first step for the executive assistant post and has waited. But I was handling multiple roles like flow manager and the executive assistant role as well. Further, my MD has guided me, you have to do any professional course, Shella. You have that potential to give your best. So I thought to join aviation, hospitality, travel management. I have did my diploma. When any girl who traveled only Andheri to Santa Cruz and who she takes off Bombay to Pune, it's a huge deal for her with her money. So that was my pride, of course. In aviation first day in my classroom when I entered, people, so many people said that she is from vernacular medium, she can't do anything, and she'll not be through. So in within 4 months, aviation I got distinction. Then travel management I got merit. I think I was the one of the person who has got that vernacular medium and all things. Further, I got the opportunity with Sajak Container as the EA, and till the time Sun Capital. After that, FOSI, and then Sun Capital. I'm assisting to Mr. Jain now. I would like to thank my mother, my executor, my father, my hero, and SP sir, my guru, my guider for my further thing. And I want to assist you, sir, in further my life. Thank you so much.